In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a weather widget on Notion. By the end, you'll have a live forecast sitting neatly inside your Notion page, ready at a glance. Start by opening your browser and heading to Elfsight. This platform builds ready-made widgets you can embed into tools like Notion. Once you're on the site, open the catalog so you can browse all available apps. In the search bar, type weather, then select the weather widget from the results to open its details. You'll see a variety of templates that determine the look and layout of your widget. Pick the one that matches your style or the space you're building in Notion. You can preview how each template displays the forecast, current conditions, and other details. When you find one you like, click Continue with this template to move into the editor. Now, customize the widget. Set your location by city name or choose a region that makes sense for your workspace. Adjust units to Fahrenheit or Celsius, select the language, and fine-tune the layout. Compact for minimal pages or a wider view if you want a multi-day forecast. Tweak colors, fonts, and background to blend with your Notion theme. Take a moment to make it readable at a glance. High contrast and clear icons help. When it looks good, click Publish. You'll be asked to choose a plan. Select the free plan to get started. The free tier typically includes Elfsight branding and may have view limits, which is fine for most personal pages or small teams. After publishing, click Copy Code. Elfsight usually provides an embed snippet and sometimes a direct link. Notion does not allow script tags, so if you see a shareable URL or an iframe SRC, copy that link. If you only see a script, look in the same modal for a direct app link. Now switch to Notion and open the page where you want the weather to appear. Type the / command and enter embed. Then choose the embed option from the menu. Paste the code, or preferably the direct link you copied. Click embed link to insert it. If Notion prompts you again or the first attempt doesn't render, paste the link once more and confirm. Give the block a moment to load. You can resize the widget by dragging its corners to make the forecast comfortable to read. That's it. Your Notion page now shows live weather, styled the way you want, and always up to date.